this palette. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Joyce's Affordable Glam Life 360, or just Joyce. I'm on here because I received my Birchbox in the mail, and I also received my Boxycharm in the mail this week. So I wanted to do an unboxing of the two together. I haven't received my Ipsy Glam Bag or my Allure box yet. So those should be coming. They said they were coming, so they should be coming this week sometime. Anyway, let's get into Birchbox first, and then we'll do Boxycharm. So the box looks like this month, and I think it looks really cute. I think it has some really great designs on it. You know, Halloween is coming, so, you know, fall, so it looks good. So when you open it, it comes like this. It comes with a card as well, and here's all the products that are inside, and then on the other side it says trick or treat, and it says the treatment step is the most personal part of your skincare routine because there are endless combinations to target your skin's needs. It's like creating your own personal magic potion. This chart breaks down the different formulas, how to layer them, and why you might choose them. So it has mist, tonic, essence, elixir, and a serum for your skincare, and then it explains everything, what it is and why to use it. But let's get on to the back of the card and what's inside my Birchbox. So the first thing is this Bumble Thickening Dryspun Texture Spray. I have like really full hair, or a lot of hair, so thickening isn't something I need, but it is a texture spray, so it may give a little bit of volume to my hair. So I'm gonna try it out still, even though I do already have thick hair. I'm still gonna see how thick it can actually get with this. It may be out to here, but we'll see. Anyway, what this says, okay, so the full size is a $31 value, and it says this clear finishing hairspray adds volume, texture, and light hold to dry styles for extra oomph. Shake the can vigorously and spray 10 inches away from your roots, then tousle. So we'll see what happens. Maybe I do a little bit of back combing at the top, at the crown, and this area right here. So maybe I won't have to do that with that. So we will try that. So that's number one. The next thing I received is this Dr. Lipp. It's a pretty small tint. Moisturizing color tint is what it's called, and this full size is $7.99, and this one is sweet potato. And it says this high shine tinted lip balm uses just 4 natural ingredients to make your lips plump and smooth. Organic edible sweet potato pigments give it its flattering pink shade. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know about the pink shade part of it, and the sweet potato pigment. So that's organic edible sweet potato. That's interesting. And it's by Dr. Lipp, and I think I've heard Dr. Lipp is a pretty good brand. I'm trying to get it. Okay, yeah, it has a pink tint to it. There it is right there. And if and it feels like a moisturizing tint. It's hard to tell where I placed it. I placed it in the wrong place with this scar here. But it you know, seems like a moisturizing tint, so that'll be fun to try. It's really small, so I don't think it'll take me long to get through this. The next thing is this Modelo Matte Lip Cream, and it's this right here, Lip Cream Matte. It looks like that. It's a really actually pretty color. It says in Creme de Nude is the color. Full size would be $20, so that's some expensive lip cream. On here it says, let's read this. This full coverage pinky neutral lip gloss imparts long-lasting color. The creamy formula dries quickly to lock in its rich matte finish. Okay, so we'll try it. I did swatch it. It seems nice. I'm gonna swatch it in a different place. This place is not the best to swatch. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it right here. So that's a pretty color. I like that color. It looks really pretty for the fall. That's gonna be really nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a tissue over here to wipe it off. But that's pretty nice color. So I'm excited to try that. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, the next thing in here is number 4, Jour de Ottoman Smoothing Balm. I know that sounds really bad, right? And it's this little bottle here. And it says, okay, so full size of this is $30. And it's a balm for your hair. That's interesting. Okay. Let's see what it says. Prep damp hair with the styling cream, which contains tiny molecules, I can say that word, I promise, molecules that penetrates deeply to minimize frizz, add touchable texture, and protect against heat damage. Okay, so I'm gonna try this because I can use all the protection I can get against blow dryers, right? I used to like let it air dry when I was home on medical leave. I would just wash it and then just leave it. But now working, that's not gonna work. So I need all the heat protection I can get using a blow dryer and a hair straightener, curling iron, all that great stuff. Okay, Sunday Riley. Now, Sunday Riley I've heard is a really great brand, and I've never used Sunday Riley, so I don't have anything to base it off of, but I have heard really great things about Sunday Riley. This is Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I hope I said that right. Lactic acid? I'll put it up here the right way of saying it, or what it is. But it looks like that. And this is this full size. Wow. Sorry, I'm surprised at the price. Full size is $105 to $158. Whoa. Okay. This best selling high potency lactic acid treatment exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, evens out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your skin's glow. Okay, I'm all for it working, but $105 full. I'm just a little bit like, I don't know, but I will still try it and see if it works, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, the last thing in here is Wilma Schumann Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. Full size is $18. So they look like this. I received 2 of them. And it says, these pads are infused with pure collagen to hydrate, depuff, and plump the delicate under eye area. To use, place one under each eye and leave on for 20 minutes. Okay. Plumping, yeah, I guess I could use that. I don't have really dark under eye circles. It's more the lines. But I've kind of, gotten used to the fact that that's the way my eyes are going to look getting older. So, concealer helps. But hey, if it works, I will try it. Anyway, so that is for Birchbox in my, what was in my box. A lot of it was skincare, hair care. I received 2 lip products, which I'm okay with. I mean, this one looks really pretty. I like that. But at the same time, I'm looking for more makeup to try than skincare, because when I find something that works, my skincare, I've said this before, I stay with it. And I have such sensitive skin that if I start using a lot of different products, I'm going to start to break out. I am lucky that in my last Boxycharm, or the one before it, it was the Wonder Beauty one. Let me see if I can find it in all my makeup stuff here. Sorry, guys. Anyway, okay, here it is. This Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I am so lucky that this worked on me with my Burt's Bees, and so yeah, I love it and I'm glad it worked, but it is what it is. Anyway, sensitive skin, it is how it works, but that's why I'm always so leery of trying new things. My hair, I'll try new products too, but again, if I find something that really works, it's really hard for me to say I'm not going to use it anymore. With makeup and eyeshadows, lipsticks, blushes, I like changing it out. I do have my favorites, and sometimes it's hard to gear away from those favorites, but I do try. So anyway, enough with Birchbox. Okay. the next thing that came was my Boxycharm box, and I've heard some mixed reviews about this box, mixed reviews about the price going up with a lot of these subscriptions by a couple of dollars, and so I don't know how I feel about it right now. Right now I've been happy and okay with my boxes. I mean, I kind of see it for what it is. It's a box. So, you know, you're going to get random things that you may not want. I know they do profiles, but, you know, if they've got a lot of people on their subscriptions, I think it would be difficult to meet everybody's personal style. So they kind of have to work with what they've got, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But I totally understand sometimes the disappointment and sometimes not being happy. I have been a little disappointed in a couple of my boxes, but again, I see it for what it is. So anyway, enough of my soapbox. I'm getting off. So this is my Boxycharm, and if you've seen other unboxing of Boxycharm, you know that it's like an envelope talking about their new boxes. There's 3 of them now, I believe, and I'm just going to stick with the one I have. I'm not going to do the mid one, but my number was 39, if you can see. So right there it says 39 was my box, and I've already unboxed it, so I'm pretty excited about my box. I am very happy with it. So I can't say anything negative about my box this month. But let me show you what I received. Okay, so of course, the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette that has been spoilers have been around. We all knew we were gonna get the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palettes, but we didn't know which one you would receive in your box. Well, I received the Marvelous Mauves, which I am so excited about because I did say that I do like mauves. So yeah, they gave me what I asked for. So yay to Boxycharm. Anyway, so that's the back of the box, what it looks like. I mean, it's packaged so well. And Dose of Colors, again, I have never owned anything of by Dose of Colors, so I have nothing to base it off of, a reference, but I am pretty impressed with the packaging. Is pretty. Sorry, don't mean to blind you. It's just gorgeous. And you open it up, and I have used this, so. But anyway, the colors look like that. It comes with a brush, which I'm going to take out so I can show you a little bit better. But it looks like that. The colors are just amazing, creamy, beautiful colors. I'm going to swatch them really quick for you so you can see. So I'll put one here. That's the lightest one, so that one's going to be hard to see. That one. That one. That one. And the last one is that one. Okay, horrible swatching. I apologize. Maybe I'll get better one day. Practice makes perfect, right? Anyway, so we're gonna go from, sorry, I'm gonna show you the box. So, the back of it. Oh, sorry guys, edit, right? So there it looks like that. So this one is fluffy. This one is rosy. This one is wishy-washy. This one is spaced out, and this is wine stain. I have to say I enjoyed these colors, and I put basically all of them on except for one, and it was great. So I highly recommend this palette since I've already tried it, and it's great. So the value of this would be $32. And so $25 is what it's going up to. So, all right. So I got that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm looks like this. Very cute, holographic looking box. And the product inside values at $32. And this is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So it looks like that. It's cute. And yeah, it's a little small. I mean, you don't get a huge amount. I would say it's probably that amount. But I would assume, there's a fly in here. I apologize. I don't know why it's still alive. It's turned freezing and it's still living. No. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, and so I'm excited. It's called Pretty Fitter. Glassy Skin Balm. So it'll be something to try. Again, it's skin balm, so I don't know with my sensitive skin, but I will try it. I will try it. Okay, next thing is the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. I am so glad I got this than the mist that was in the boxes. I'm not one, again, to try different mists on my face. My e.l.f. one is perfect, does its job. I'm not interested in finding a different one. So anyway, I got the Lip Plumping Gloss. It looks like this. And its iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticking gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. It's pretty nude. I have worn it, and it does have a little bit of color. It's not completely clear. So I always have this hard time because of my. So it looks like that. It has a very subtle color when you put it on your lips. So, you know, it's a nude. It's a nude lip. So if you're going to do a smoked out mauve eyeshadow with the Dose of Colors palette, this was perfect. I did that, and it was perfect to put on my lips because I wanted the eyes to be popping, not the lips. Okay, next is Tarte. So I received a Tarte palette. This is the Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. It looks like that. It says, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. And this retails for $29. So it looks like that. I've never tried this before. I don't usually try cream. I don't usually try these kind of highlighters, but came in my Boxycharm. I'm going to try it. But it looks like that. Very cute packaging. I'm going to put it on this side, so you can see. So it looks like that, and then rub it in, and it has a very subtle glow to it, which I like. I like the subtle glow. So excited to try that. Okay, and then the last thing in my Boxycharm box was a Cosmetic Sponge by Illuminate. I'll put it somewhere up here, the title of what it is, the product name. This retails for $21, and it says an ageless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. So it's black, looks like this, typical sponge, spray it, and I will try it with foundation. I was also thinking of maybe trying it with powder, so we'll see how this works. It's a $21, so it's up there with the Beauty Blender, so we'll see how it works. So anyway, that was my box for the month of what is this, October? Can't believe, gosh, Halloween's coming soon, right? A couple of weeks, we're gonna be trick-or-treating. Anyway, so that was my box, and I'm like I said, I'm happy with my box. I'm pretty content with it. If it's going up a couple of dollars and continue to get these kind of products, I am satisfied and happy with a couple of dollars of extra for the box. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, can you please hit the thumbs up? It helps me out. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, will you please consider subscribing to my channel? And if you already are subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and your support. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.